I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to turn off notifications from US Bank, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the US Bank app. Launch the US Bank mobile application on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once you're in the app, look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol, and tap on it. This will take you to the app settings menu. Step 3. Select Notifications. In the settings menu, find and select the Notifications option. This section allows you to manage all your notification preferences. Step 4. Turn off notifications. You will see a list of notification types. Toggle off the notifications you no longer wish to receive. This could include alerts for transactions, promotions, or reminders. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your settings, make sure to save any changes you've made. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the screen to confirm your preferences. Remember, if you accidentally toggle off a notification you wanted to keep, you can always go back and adjust it again. I hope this guide helps you manage your notifications easily.